Right, we're back with a car review after a rather extended stay away. Formerly known as UK Car Reviews, we're now going with Brutally Honest Car Reviews because that's what we are. Please let me tell you in advance that if you are looking for a video about a car and you only want to hear something positive about something you like, switch off now because we say it as it is. In this particular model, we are the 2014 Ford Fiesta 1200 Zetec. Now, I have found something really quite dangerous with this car, and it's something that could do a lot of injury to somebody inside. But before I tell you about that, let's have a quick look at the car on the road. Now, back to what I was saying at the beginning about what's dangerous in this car. Underneath here on the glove box side, if you put your fingers up underneath there, when the car's been running, there's a boiling hot pipe coming out of the heater matrix that will scald your fingers. Now you might think, well, don't put your fingers up there. But the thing is, if you're in your Ford Fiesta and you leave your kids in the car and you go to the shops, one of them will stick their fingers up here and will burn their fingers. How this has got past Ford's quality control, I don't know, because it is literally there and it's a boiling hot pipe. There's no cover missing. It's fully exposed. Now, how the hell do you explain that? It's totally and utterly bizarre. Now, that may not be a big concern for many people, but I find it a little bit strange that you can just put your fingers in an inch behind a cover and you can burn your fingers, because once the engine's running, that's full operating temperature, and that is dangerous. So for me personally, that's a big problem, and I wonder how many other cars are like that. There's only one way I'm going to find out.